Hey Crypto Crew! Welcome back to NFTopia. Today I'm going to talk to you about NotCoin. As you know, recently a new coin called NotCoin has emerged and gained a lot of popularity. So, if you're curious, stick around, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. NotCoin claims to be a new meme coin on the Ton blockchain, created by Telegram. It's important to note that the Ton blockchain was created by Telegram, not NotCoin. According to NotCoin itself, it's a game where you can earn points by clicking. Its website, notcoingame.com, indicates that it's a game, but people seem to be taking it quite seriously. On the website, there's a Play Now button. Clicking on it takes you to Telegram and displays a page with a large coin. By clicking on the coin, you earn NotCoin. As NotCoin describes it, you're farming. These games fall into a genre that I personally enjoy a lot, known as clicker games. These are games where you get to higher levels by just clicking. If you search for them, you'll find plenty of such games. In these games, clicking gives you points, which can be used to unlock rewards or progress to the next level. All the events and advancements in these games happen just through clicking. NotCoin is essentially a clicker game that has become extremely popular and gone viral. These games have a unique way of stimulating the brain. Each click sends a message to your brain that you've achieved something small, triggering the release of substances like dopamine. These chemicals build up and you find yourself eager to continue. After a certain number of clicks, there might be a big explosion in the game, completing a section, advancing to the next level, or earning a special bonus. For example, reaching 10,000 coins in this game might excite you to purchase a booster that doubles your clicks, or a sudden message might appear saying you've earned a shuttle point, and each click rapidly rewards you with points. NotCoin is exactly like that. It has no connection to the Ton network. It still has no link to blockchain or mining. The crucial point here is that this game has suddenly taken off and gained a massive audience. It has even grown faster than something like GPT. That is, it reached over 4 to 5 million users, much faster than the time it took for GPT for reaching 1 million users. Now, it has more than 4 to 5 million users. Why is that? Starting it is incredibly easy. You click once, start playing, and it tells you that you're earning money. Yeah, you've earned money. You're making money. And this is a strange phenomenon. Your brain loves the idea of making money, whether it's digital or not. It doesn't matter if it's on the blockchain or Ton network. People would be very happy if it could find a connection to blockchain, because that would mean finding an investor willing to invest in this game. And the coins you earn could have some value. We can discuss this a bit more later. But ultimately, this sudden virality has brought it attention and increased its popularity. Having over 5 million users in such a short time is a significant achievement. In the first months, I think it had 500,000 users. However, you need to be aware that it is not a coin, not a cryptocurrency. It's a website that adds a number to your coins every time you click on it. These resources are unlimited. That is, if everyone in the world were clicking, this number would keep increasing. Money that becomes infinitely abundant becomes worthless. It's like saying we live in a desert, and these sands are very valuable. Bring them one by one to me, and I'll give you something in return. Of course, they're worthless because their quantity is extremely high. Here, because you're getting coins without any specific word or activity, and the fact that what you get is unlimited, practically, it can be considered money that will ever be used as currency, unless this game undergoes some changes, limits itself, and so on. Even in that case, it still won't be able to claim that those who click the lot that year will become rich. They might say an investor has shown up and decided to put money, to take money. In fact, when an investor comes, they're supposed to take money from you, not give it to you. Don't get it wrong. It's not like that. They sell the investor to you. Pay close attention. The concept of economic is very crucial here. You easily start this game. You need to invite your friends to increase your earnings, and that's how it went viral. The point here is that we can't all gain something together because resources are limited. If something is unlimited, it loses its value. So if you like it, give it a try, click and enjoy. But don't think that it's free money just handed to you. There's still nothing about NotCoin on the Ton network. It's not mined, not on the blockchain. It's like a website where each time you go in and click, it tells you your money has increased by $1. Everyone can go in and click. If someone comes one day and puts $1 million on this website and say they want to distribute it among those who click here, your share will still be very significant. And why would someone do that anyway? What usually happens is that someone comes and says, okay, you have 4 million users who open this site every day. Show an advertisement down there. Hopefully it comes to the app and says, now for the money I give you for the ad, give tens of that money to those who come and click, especially if they are among the top scorers. In the end, it doesn't amount to proper payment. It essentially turns into a pyramid reward system by an advertiser. Another point about money is that money must circulate. You can't say there's an asset, I'll take a chunk of it, you take a chunk of it, and they take a chunk, and we all sit together hoping one day it will become expensive. If gold becomes expensive, it's because people want to extract gold for various reasons and buy it. Its resources are limited, so its price starts to rise. Now here you have something that no one wants to get by paying money for it. And no one will come to you and say, take this amount of money and give me 10,000 NotCoins. If I want it, I'll sit and click to get it myself. Or if I'm a programmer, I'll create an app and send a message to it saying I'm clicking on the screen without doing anything. Or like those videos we see lately with the sewing machine and vibrator and funny things like that, doing something to make clicks on my phone. In short, clicking one by one won't make me and you rich. But it might be fun for you to play this game. All in all, the idea of free wealth distribution among everyone is an impossible and empty idea. Clicker games are games that send a special signal to your brain that it's succeeding, making them addictive. You invite your friends hoping to become rich someday. Still, nothing special is happening. Even if an investor shows up, the money goes to the person who runs the app, not the users. So, be happy, have fun, and enjoy the game. Just that. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep up with the latest in NFTs, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more.